But I run a straight pipe right now still.
Nick Clueless, do what I do now. When I come a party, you tell me which song to play and which song, how to intro the song them.
Alright, that's the word.
Do what I do, I phone the world, you know.
That is it. Skunk Lifestyle, check in. We're going now. So yo peeps, really hoping I love the episode them, you know, cause yo I got out there to get some content for now and thing. And in today's episode we're going to actually link up with Bishop Escobar because I actually fly tomorrow. Cause yo I gotta link up back with the Empower House team, Dre and the entire team. Cause I don't like the Empower House vlog them, the New York vlog them, the Big Bad Machine vlog them, and plus we have much more stuff. So now you're watching this video, I'm actually in New York as we're speaking right now because this is clearly pre-recorded. So big up to everybody. Yo, I just decided to just head out and get some content for y'all. Cause yo, I call a month here, Vlogtober, you see me? So anytime when I know the vibe, we're just there and I hold a Vlogtober month. So we just like a vlog for pretty much the whole of this month. Let me give you guys a quick breakdown of the schedule. I'm gonna be dropping a video hopefully Sundays to Thursdays. So every day from Sunday to Thursday I'm gonna try to drop a video. You see me? Some of them might be exciting, some of them might not be. However, I'm expecting you guys to just forward and just whole a vibe with you. You see me? Just carrying you guys on a journey for the entire October. I mean, I'm gonna just try to keep it up. However, October is Vlogtober. You see me? So today, in today's episode, let me tell you, we're gonna link up with Bishop now, which you're gonna see later on down. And I'm in New York now as we speak, and we'll have a lot of content for y'all. So when me tell you, just stay tuned. I have a collection to go and look at in Virginia. You see me? We have some Florida footage coming up as well. We have some Bima Invasion footage coming up as well. And we have just some of the skunkers in the tri-state area that we're going to be linking up with. You see me? So you don't know, New York farms, check in. If you're not there and have a machine and don't want to vlog it, link up. You don't know, just send me an Instagram message or even just leave a comment in the comment section. You see me? So peeps, man, I make this too long. I'm heading to the vlog right now. Big up on yourself. You don't know, we're out and about and I do it for you. You see me? Let's go. Oh, and don't forget peeps, I want to return, man. I watch the video them, cause I do the video them for you. Cause when I say I don't want to vlog me, I give you a vlog now. Just make sure you watch it up. When you see the ads them, watch the ads them one and a few times. You don't know, cause yo, the lifestyle is not easy, you know, peeps. You see me? So you don't know the vibe. We're out. Yo, man say machine now. Man say machine. Turn that down. How this? Vlog for vlog?
Eh? How? See me, huh? One of the pictures say, him give cars some Pepto-Bismol to the say can and a running belly. See me? Oh, it go?
Oh, it go now.
Alright,
okay, tuned. That is it.
Don't it?
Yeah.
You know there, man.
Yo, the Shensia showed the mad one night. Look up power and look up vibes.
You know I'm gonna win a Nick Glow. Nick Glow, you have to go to King, you can't stay home at daytime and that's the thing, boy, you build them a joke. And them thing there, I will shoot them and put on tomorrow. You have to go out and drink and smoke one flip and enjoy yourself, you see me?
Well, you know I don't smoke.
Boy, you don't smoke, boy, you know, vape.
No, don't go vape either.
You don't vape neither?
No. Alright, so we're going to other vibes to Bishop Machine today, isn't it, skunkers? So, let me show you my seatbelt. So yeah, peeps, this is my brother, you know. Peeps, yo, watch out my pen now with the dog. So yo, Nick Love, chain look too beer, bro.
I'm gonna send for that one and that's why I don't have too much pen long.
Yeah.
Send for that chain, yeah.
Yo, peeps, I'm telling you, Escobar touch a stage, you know, a different level, you know.
As I start playing them time about the artist time, I Bex. Yo, come on that clout, them in the dog.
But no, man, I see you start off good, bro.
Oh, I'm say right, you know, I'm gonna chop out them head right now, I'm telling you.
You want me to drive?
You want to drive?
No, it's alright, drive. Oh. Good, man. So we're actually heading to King Midas. So Paul from King Midas, he's the one that helped me sometime with the muffler work on my car. So Yo, me don't know. Me can't have Escobar roll around me because sometimes I gotta make some flick go a country or go some car show. Oh, car swag.
Car swag, man. People don't look out for car swag, you know. Escobar and Nicklo. We are keep
Why I keep a party called car swag?
It's not even not a party.
But we're not telling them the concept fully yet.
Yeah.
Cause you don't know. We don't want nobody running.
No, them can't. If them running off God, I'm my friend them for your beer shot and make it count.
No, I shut down nobody.
Yo, nobody can't thief the name.
A bad people, is it?
No, you're crazy.
Yeah, but tell them how you followed up with the idea that we car swag.
No, car swag no. You know, say I did with their Shensia party one night, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you go sub woman. You see me? I will have vibe and me I say Nicklo, Ray, I mean, don't know them man, I'm muggle car in the dark. Cause based on the last conversation we have. Some man drive car and some man muggle car. You understand me? So we are give the people them. It's a pop-up vibe. Me and you just did that. I say, Nicklo, you know keep the party.
Yeah.
You see me? Cause you don't want to just keep a basic, regular
yeah,
car show.
The thing is with me at events like events and them things I like to keep events but
so it's a tailgate party. Where am I gonna know? We are going to that we are carry this up.
Yeah.
The tailgate party.
Yeah, pull up on par, isn't it?
Pull up on par.
Yeah.
You see me? You don't know the thing where you wonder how we're gonna make money. We're gonna tell you how we're gonna make money now. See? So we're not gonna bring no own a liquor. Cause we're not gonna make no money. But you see the venue now, what we are gonna use, you have to pay for coming.
Aye.
You see me I say? So
yes.
So we're gonna make back.
So them can bring for them own a liquor then?
Yeah, we're gonna do it that way then.
Yeah, you bring
we're going to have the meeting and see how best is it gonna work.
Yeah.
Because we now just keep on big charity party, so we're not father how long. We just keep on big free party so people come drink and rave. We want to make a piece of bramble.
Yeah, because the car them take money for maintaining the peeps and the lifestyle take money.
Muggle him car and thing, and if you drive a car for muggle, that means you have a little piece of change.
Yeah.
You see me say, we say yo, admission 5 grand. You see me?
Yeah, that just figuratively speaking.
Yeah, that would just say.
Yeah.
You pay your money, you come in, you can bring it's a par.
Yeah, it's a par.
It's a par.
Yeah,
so
yeah. Pull up on par.
Pull up on par.
Aye.
And roll up with your car, you park your car, you
pull up
your trunk.
Pull up on par with you?
Pull up on par.
With the car?
With your car.
Yeah.
You see me? So you know say you bring your own a bar. You understand how we keep it, Bishop Escobar.
Definitely, I can roll with it.
Car swag.
And start.
Everything up.
Yeah.
So you know it go.
You know the vibes, skunkers.
So we just listen out for it. You see me? We're gonna have all 1 and 2 artists to our friend them we're gonna pass through. And come bless up the place, you see me? Click down police and come and be a thing and
no.
style.
That,
no, the artist
you move like Eddie G now right now, bro. Listen, me and the police them are bridging in that, so we don't want to do them nothing, you know.
No, and the song, I saw with us call it, but the dream name Eddie G, Bama.
Yeah.
But I say it down police again.
Me know one, me know one.
Me talk about, I want to tell you, say, somebody just call me a while ago film too, for your bookings.
Yeah?
And like, them don't know him name and them don't know this. Them just say, yo, the artist name is Link Down Police again. And with the song name. So me say, yo, so me just say,
yo, that you the viral your freak dog.
So because you know Nicklo. Anything when you fuck, you know. And we run that, you know, we respond for that, you know.
That's cool, man.
And the fact say they're on one of the hard rhythm them, they're on the big breeze rhythm.
Yeah, they're on the big breeze
so easy to take off. And then them go do a cartoon generics to it too.
Yeah.
We put a different buzz on it. When the man say, me never say me I go lick down police, I go and say me we do it.
Yeah.
Me never say if we do it.
No, I'm not telling nobody.
So it be like a energy, but you don't know. I love how the youth them a find song.
Yo, as we talk about that, cause you don't know, I'm sure it's enough of my subscribers them would have like for know what it feel like for the store and doing what you love for though.
I mean,
and how you get it? How you started up? Like, what did make you just get up on there and say, yo, you want to be a DJ?
Yo, that story, big long story. You know,
no, well, let's cut it down.
I'm gonna summarize it.
Yeah, summarize it.
Alright, me used to do 9 to 5. Me used to work at Courts, me used to work at Dominica Drive, Sierra, Southeast Regional Health Authority. You see me? Then I go so boom, I get...
Yeah, let's go straight.
Yeah, I go so. I get laid off from this, so then I start work at tropical air conditioning and refrigeration.
Yeah.
You see me? So, during them time, I send back myself at school and things, so... Yeah, you see me?
Yeah. You know my program staying up, fling on your seatbelt.
Go so, oh, yeah.
Yeah. know the vibe.
Safety comes first.
That is it.
You see me? So, we go so boom now. That means we should not drive it to need then.
No, you're good, man.
Oh.
I'm not like saying concentrate. You're concentrate. I'm a big driver, man.
And
I want
yeah, so I don't have money now. A recession time now. I'm broke.
Yeah.
So I was just like, you know, in my community and you don't know round robin. Them time they had round robin are the new thing.
Yeah.
Round robin is like party partner.
Yeah, party partner. Every man
partner.
support each other.
Yeah,
party.
so
Alright.
then every man get a draw.
Remember what
And
right
next time, yeah.
Yeah.
Them clap here, me out. Every man get a draw every week or every fortnight or whatever, you see me? So, me then you know, me is always a gimmicks person, a jovial person from school days, you see me I say? So,
You don't call yourself a class clown?
no, I'm only say me a class clown because I'm a bad boy too. You can't clown me out when we go to school. We go
Yo, me can't ask you that, no.
Bro, I'll teach our stone
What?
when we go to school.
Yeah, but you're not telling them to do that though?
No, I'm not telling them to do that, but me I say when them say we not graduate and them think we flink it. So, yeah man, we go on crazy in the man.
Yeah.
But anyway, we still did that though for the left school with like, I left school with 3 subjects. We go back and sell them. So, well anyway, recession now, no money now run bro. So we just there in the community, we have a bridge named Bumpy. We have a little sound. And him a play the whole of the round robin them, but Bumpy, the thing is now Bumpy can't talk for save him life.
Oh God.
Bumpy just can't mix.
Yeah.
But me now with the man now with the voice personation now, I can't talk like Boom Boom, I can't talk like Liquid, I can't talk like Big Wayne, I can't talk like Sky, I can't talk like Holy
Talk like Big Wayne, here.
Nicklo, you know say, from what day ya, one by one be mine, but you know man feel like me can't maintain that be my suit me, you know. Be my, right now my blood count low, man. If you drive one be my right now, brother, I'm gonna go concentrate on myself. That's what me I say. It will stress me out. One of the tired of my alone can maintain me for the rest of my life.
You see me? So, I just that now. So me at the party now
Yeah.
with this impersonated voice.
Yeah.
At the round robin them when the man a play.
Yeah.
So we just did it. We eat a little food. You understand me? When it done, the dog get the money and give me a little $3 or $2 and them things. You see me?
That at the time in
Them
the
time
early
them-
stages of your career.
Bro, me not selector yet. Me just be a bishop from me a baby. Because you don't know when me a baby, people them born at church.
Yeah.
So when we left school, come home,
Okay.
come see one old jacket and one church pants on the bed. So when I'm a bridge in the used to jeer me and say, "Every day you just up in a jacket and suit like you're a bishop." He's a bishop.
Yeah.
And you know, in the 90s, 80s, them time, when you, the more you eat a nickname,
And the more them tell you,
more it,
go straight across,
it's
yeah? Well, go
pain.
straight across. Yeah.
When you eat a name, man, I better them call you a name and you laugh with them and go say,
Yeah. Because it not gonna work, nothing.
It not gonna work, but you see the minute them see you eat the
Pick up
name,
grab and go, yeah.
and that's how the name sticks. So anyway, so I just name Bishop alone.
Yeah.
And there's something
across.
that say we have
Yeah.
mimic the sound of reaching out to all massive crew inside the house, big up Latty Batty and Trash Batty Marie and
Yeah.
to me living in the community now, we know the people in business, so big up the girl we know say, yo,
Yeah,
Ray,
born for
and I
this,
chat
that's
people
what I'm
business, you
saying.
see me I say?
Yeah.
So, one of them now, I want Top G, Feme Round Robin, so you know, so Feme one big,
Yeah.
whole heap of top man there, whole heap of hot girl there. So me I select a Feme one. Me I select a Feme one the night and me I tell you say, me and Bumpy there.
That's a Bumpy Cash.
No man, no Bumpy Cash, a youth from outer east.
Okay, okay.
Me and Bumpy. You see me? The man where them book, the selector, big name selector where them book. When him reach, nobody no want hear him. And me them want hear. Cause me I talk up the things them.
Yeah.
You know me I say,
Yeah,
we
but no,
have
man.
one slippers and our man have money. And them thing them me I talk and you see me?
Yeah.
So the girl them in the community are cheer for me and we want Bishop, the people are cheer for me.
No, Bishop,
before.
you tough, bro.
My name even established as a DJ. So I
Them
start
time,
make
yeah.
little money now here and thing and you see him brother say, yo bro, if you take this seriously, reach far,
Serious,
you know that?
bad. Yeah.
You see me? So that was 15 years ago, brother. Cause at 15 years now me as a DJ.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even say me a DJ, me a entertainer. Cause me
No,
live
man,
like,
you're entertainer.
I live
right
like
now,
selector,
you're
brother.
artist. Yeah.
Selector live average life and them things. I live average life. I mean not hype and thing, but it's
No,
just
man,
motivation
yeah,
for you
of
and for them
course.
say, yo, when you put yourself to it, bro, come I challenge myself, you know, me a man borrow all my own money in it too. You see me I say? Yeah, go a bank and borrow loan for my own money. Some still I challenge myself, bro. So anyway, them time I know me I make little money now. You know, a virgin in the community, you know, I sell weed. So I start making money now. I link him, give him my money, give him 5 grand, I say, turn that 5 grand out. Then buy 5 grand weed for me, sell it off, I get 10. When he give me the 10, I say, no, use the 10 by 10. And the 10 make 20, use it by 2. So it lead up to about 6 to 7 months till it reach my birthday.
Yeah.
When I go to woman, the dog say, oh, your birthday, man say, yo, I have some money for you, know?
Yeah.
And I say, nah, man say, brother, your birthday come for your money, dog. And I go for it, man. Say, I move like a Escobar. And I saw me get the name Escobar now, cause me used to...
move like a... Yeah, move like a...
recycle the money.
Yeah,
you understand?
Yeah.
So I him start call me Escobar. And I saw now the name Bishop Escobar now when I call my boss as a DJ, you know.
Yeah.
I did bleach, me did white on you know. Me white, cause we used to bleach a Queen Elizabeth skin and look on when I see my man pale. Every vein I can see.
Right, so I turn in so we got King Midas right in so. Yeah, just pull up at the gate, man.
Oh, yeah, so?
Yeah. Got him do some work on the place, yeah.
You see me? So I just saw it set, bro, and then we there so now and then we go link up with Ramesh.
Big up Ramesh.
Over it over after that, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So I just there so and then I try when me not working, me networking. So I go out, meet people.
Turn on the gate now.
I don't want to block the road still, because I know
good,
them
man.
taxi man that come around the corner here.
You want to see my father now.
You see me?
Oh, something that come out? Oh.
You see me?
Yeah.
So
how much countries you travel to? I mean, all over the world, yeah?
All over the world. I done a passport. Thanks be to God. I done a book. You see me? Big up Ding Dong, big up Future Fanboy, for them permit. The first permit me dep on was Fambo.
Yeah.
You see me? First time that I get the opportunity to travel in America. You see me? I'm burn up like bro, I go all boat out some place with a TV, I see them place the fun. You see me? North Carolina, Myrtle Beach.
What you just say would have been one of your most memorable moments?
One of my most memorable moments is overseas.
Yeah, overseas.
I do a show with Da Baby and Shensia.
Mad.
Sons. Massacre did upon it too. And one of my most memorable moments at Jamaica is CM Sons again with Rick Ross.
Mad.
You see me? So as I tell you, I try my best not to, because when you say you're a selector, you limit yourself. It's like you put yourself in a box.
You call yourself entertainer.
Yeah, entertainer, dog. You see me? So I just get booked. Come play music alone, and then as I tell them, I got one other thing I do.
What you say?
Respect next.
That is it.
Yeah, man, bless. Can park. Can block this other BMW.
Okay, cool.
You see me? So I go so boom now and I go at school and I send back myself at school. So I pass English and them things. So I have eloquent of speech and them things. I know for practice.
You know what?
I know for change.
You what? Eloquent of?
Eloquent of speech. You understand?
Eloquent of speech.
Irony, personification, exaggeration. You see me?
Yeah.
The whole of them things they will learn as youth when we go back to school. So we know say we don't want us play music alone.
Yeah.
Say, help me, you know, to matriculate in a hosting. You see me? I say so I can host party.
Oh, so you use them more on the stage?
Yeah, man, then that's why the people let me see me now and say, yo, that's why Guinness could have see me. I say, come, why you host Guinness Sounds of Greatness?
Nice.
Because I owe my family my words and them things. I know for play with words.
Yeah.
You understand? So for instance, I host a party.
Yeah.
And I say all a girl and I say, hey, you're not a sister? Cause the two of them have a me know say a resemblance.
Yeah.
You know, exaggerate for the fact say me no know what the word.
Yeah.
You see me? So that put a little that put a little humor in the show. You understand what I say?
Definitely.
So a them thing that them look for, so a little laughter, cause as I tell you say, Me's a jovial youth, you see me? So I try to put joviality in my set.
No, man,
You
you tough
understand me?
man,
say?
I
So,
tell you.
cause you can't too serious. You have people come and dance all brother with them problem and them man stress and them woman stress.
Yeah.
You can't add to it by playing all these songs with them and a boot up them. You want something to make them laugh and talk out. You see
Definitely.
me? I say so. I'm grateful, man. I must say, yo, I have to big up Ramesh.
Big up
Big up
Ramesh.
Ramesh, because you know, Ramesh is a man who believe in a talent in a dog. And
Yeah.
Ramesh make me stop bleach, you know. Ramesh make me stop bleach, because I go to boom now and Ramesh say, yo, never work for you. And I say, what that? And I say, yo, Digicel have a series, you know. But they want a host. And I say, alright, I'm ready. And say, one problem though. They have to stop bleach. And I say, what? How much the money, how much up my image? Nick Lowe, the man asked me for my Scotia account. And when he send me him money
Yeah.
and say, are your first show, so I'm not take none out. And mark you, Ramesh don't take more than 10% out of who pay.
Really?
Out of any money we
You
get.
hear that, peeps?
10. So all them a say Ramesh thief and Ramesh this and that. 10% Ramesh take. So me get like rich and now him raised and start take 20. Come start take more money. But me I
What you say? Him know you go on, so right now, yeah,
You
but
see
you have to give him,
yeah, and you know corporate companies stretch
Yeah.
out payments. Big up all corporate companies. Ramesh pay you as him act.
So
before
basically him advanced
owe
then.
himself. You understand what I say? So
Yeah.
them thing them act and is a man brother when the man say, me a Scotia account. I'm saying the man me Scotia account and I see man go, huh? I say me not take none out tight because of your first show. Cause me hear him on the phone with the one and I say, yo, me find a host. If him not good, don't pay him. As a matter of fact, me I pay him myself. Hang on, brother. Every cream and every gel and every soap, everything was a lightening, skin brightening. Seal out of this house, yeah. Wrap up in the blackest bag and dash, man.
Yeah.
What? Come, yo, when Digicel are one of the company, them in a brother, when them a go promotion in a
Yeah, man, them go hard.
in a brother. You see me, I say,
Did
what?
you sell Tapina, man? Tapina?
Bro, me go all boat, bro. Me done the island. And me done the island as a host. And me done the islands as a selector. And then me gone in a foreign now, bro.
Yeah.
You see me, I say?
So you da, what you da tell any ghetto youth right
I'm
now?
not telling the ghetto youth, so you are going on. Every coloring book are black and white. And the cover alone a color. So you wear up, buy a pack of crayon and read the cover and color it accordingly. Because every character when they on the color, them in the coloring book, in the suit are clothes there. So you can't change the color. You understand what I say? So that says, if you don't understand what that means, if you are from the garrison, but the badness surround you, you can't do badness and music, you can't do badness and the football. You understand? You have to color, seal.
Yeah, I call it forwarding film a while ago.
Yeah.
Finish up what you did, I say.
Yeah, so, me did I say,
To the ghetto youth.
to the ghetto youth, them just believe in yourself, brother. You see me? Every coloring book, a black and white. A whole like book, every page in there black and white. That does a cover alone. They're colored. You understand? So you have to make sure you say your color accordingly, bro. You understand? Color in the line. Remember the character them on the cover? That's what the closing with them have on. I carry them through the whole book. You see that come like we. Right now, God forbid, life are the greatest and everything, but any man dead, you know, and that's what the close them up here, you know. You understand what I say? You can't say if you're dead in a wave, dirty half white, black shirt, half white shirt, bad color white shirt, I get up here, you know. So, just believe in yourself, brother. The world, every ghetto youth is a star. Just look up in the sky one day and pick one. And you that up there, so.
You just say your career choose you though.
Yeah, but that's how my career choose me because, well, I love music, you know, I'm always a fan of music. I play a drum from me at 3.5 years old, I got 4.
Yeah.
You see me? And when I meet one girl, my fiance, she buy me first birthday, me and her spend together. It's a drum set she buy me for my birthday.
Nice.
You see me, because I love drum. Me always, when I go to school, the teacher them complain drumming on the decks. That always there on my report. So me drumming on the decks, you see me? So I have a big up people them to believe in with the fans them and them thing. I remember you have to remember say the fans them, but the people them, they never bigger than the people them. always be as courteous as you can with the people, you see me? That after the who in the established game or when the youth them boss.
Definitely.
Enough man boss and a member where them are coming from, you know. You
Peeps,
understand me? So
peeps, trust me when I tell you, sir, real people alone me roll with peeps. Cause I don't really roll with in a bag of crowd. I'm supposed to can see that and know that. So from me see me and the dog apart, I must know. The dog used to have a crown. Is a crown used to have before?
me have a crown.
Yeah.
Before that, we have a Mark X.
Him have a Mark X then a crown. I know him have a Bimmer. So him
No,
say-
this is actually my ninth vehicle out of music, you know.
No man, me not talk about that.
Okay.
We talk about the fact say you go Bimmer, you know.
Yeah, then me start from the very first birthday, big birthday party me keep. A standpipe.
Yeah.
It means a party name Hype. HYPE.
Yeah.
It's an acronym. How you picture Escobar.
Okay.
My first million a beginner's luck.
Yeah.
Everything after that a history. I'm gonna buy a 2010 Axio.
Mad.
It's me, I'm my first car that I own. Then I go Mark X. Then I go an upgraded Mark X Premium 4350.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? After that, how I go? I did sell that and buy a Audi. That's all? Yeah, after I sell that Premium,
And buy a Audi.
Buy the Audi. 1 week I have the Audi fight crash. Then after I crash, I buy a Latio. Come back again and buy a Crown after the Latio. Then I buy a Nether Mark X when the Crown crash. You see me? After the Mark X, I buy after this. Also, a 8 week.
Yeah.
I call my girlfriend on the night.
And then we got other vibes to that one here today. I don't know, the man say yo, you
Yeah.
not like team car sound like running belly.
One night I got sent to a party in Niclo, I'm shame. Call me them on the road, me here. When I tell me say you go some around me, I go say I'm here. I'm put the car in a sport and all me here. I have a looking at the car, I have no angels, but I don't have none. So I just say I have to go fix it.
We reach now. So you don't know the vibe. We'll get to it. That is it. Yo, we end up pull up a tea songs, you know. I don't know the great chicken steak and fried rice. Yeah man, I saw it them one.
The good old man, and I'm here, the chef, yeah.
Are you the chef? I lie. What kind of...
We have the beetroot.
You have not without sugar?
I don't know what sugar. Only sweet, man. I'm not sweet. They're not fresh and not sweet.
What is?
Fine and cheap. Take that one.
Pine and ginger this?
Yeah.
And what else you have? You want one of them things at Esco?
Pine and ginger, beetroot, magnum, and one. What that? Beetroot, pine and ginger, juke plum, or magnum. Which one you want?
Beetroot, you want? That is it. Support. What is it? One of them sweet with?
Yeah, they're not sweet.
Chum plum too? Man. Yeah.
You tell me if you mash up some of that with shrimp in there. So out you say you want to see me eye. You're allergic to shrimp, bro.
Never know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'll go and sample this here now. Yeah, the URL look good, peeps.
You're not reach now yet, man. It just...
Yeah, my man's FD wheels and pan. FD2 type of wheel and pan.
Yeah.
Mad. I like it. Looking good. I like the stance on it too, bro. What you like, pan? Kyle lovers? Mad. That is it. You know how long I not see one of them, yeah?
Yeah, try and make it reach somewhere, no?
Machine.
Yeah, try and make it reach.
Take your time, big up. I like the FD2 wheels and pan it scrumpers. Take your time. So I'm gonna put this up on lift now. This is work in progress, peeps, so don't watch that. Trust me, when Paul finishes this place, gonna be murder. And we're going to get a vlog on Paul as well, because trust me, Paul coming a far away. So what do you think we're going to do to this today, Paul?
I think probably a muffler delete.
Yeah, just for
Bring
now.
it up in the ear, right?
Till we can get the downpipe and stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah, just give me straight after this.
Mad, so. Him say right now, Paul.
Yeah.
Him say right now, it's too weak. He wants it to have a little bit more.
Power up.
Yeah,
up.
inline 6, you know, yeah.
I'm making trouble then.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
Make him power up. Yeah. And the place will look good, Paul. It'll come to come.
Yeah, man. Nick, official
Soon.
skunk official.
Base, isn't me? Mad. Yeah, so I'll show you guys this This Euro R. Is that Euro R, right? Yeah. Original Euro R. Mad. 01. You don't do nothing to it really.
Nothing at all.
Unmolested.
Other than FD, other than put on the FD rim alloy.
Yeah.
Unmolested.
Man. Yeah, man. This stuff for under peeps, you know? But they must have a beer European man show up on the channel from what day, so I switch it up on them again. Yeah. So we're gonna see what's going on. More than likely just a drum delete for today. Cause I'm gonna forget all that down pipe for him. And then I'm gonna slap a tune on it, you see me? Yo! I'm gonna get the down pipe for your car. I know you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But anyways, we're gonna get something else seat. And then we're gonna tune the cars in.
Nick Clueless, do what I do now. When they come a party, you tell me which song to play. And which song, how to intro the song them.
Alright, let's say alright.
Do what I do, I phone the world, you know.
That is it.
We could just add a resonator right here.
Hold on, come in. Tell me what I go on it now.
Walk underneath and look.
Yeah, so right
This
now
is
it's
for the
still on the
muffler
drum. Yeah.
Right, but come underneath. Apparently, they had a downpipe already.
Okay.
So basically, if it gets a little too heavy now,
Yeah.
we just add a resonator right here.
Alright, so
So we're going to cut out the drum first.
I hear it sound.
I hear it sound, yeah.
Okay.
Cut out the drum from here. Then.
So Paul, may I tell them say when the place officially
Yes,
open up,
man.
we're gonna do a proper vlog.
Yeah. Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Alright,
Definitely.
that's alright. Well, why? Yeah. So when we take down a drum here now, yeah. When we take this down now, we're gonna start it and you hear it sound. If you don't like it and it's too loud, we're gonna add a thing called a resonator within the exhaust line. Go ahead, man.
You know where about looking at you right there, so. You know where about. You know where about. Tell the boys say next year my car good, you know, watch out. Be a pain to run. I take a picture because I want to come for more money. I'm not give him $1 more.
Oh man. Don't take this off.
Rock it out, man.
That is even clear now. I run a straight pipe right now still. Put it in a sport. And how I go on with it? Put it in a sport. You carry sport?
Let me rev it a little.
Alright, come listen. Power down.
You come down. Don't just rev it.
But put it in a sport.
Put it in a sport.
Somebody want to go climb up.
It's in a sport now?
Hold on, let me just hear something first. Before we're in a sport. Let me just hear something. Wait, no, hold on. Let him go up and put it in sport. Take it off and
You know, so the man say, oh, he don't want him car sound like running belly.
Run me down. Right, so nice now.
Eh?
And grounded.
Yo,
They
so,
want a straight pipe then, Nick.
make him run it so fair a
Yeah,
little
I'm gonna get
bit.
us-
Here what? We'll make you run it so fair a little bit. We'll make you run it so fair a little bit.
And then if it's too loud,
And then if it's too loud,
we just add back a resonator.
oh my son,
Yeah, too loud.
Yeah, too loud.
Want it loud.
Alright?
that is it. So you see? Feel better now?
Yeah.
Eh? You don't feel like an Andrews again, though?
I don't want to undo.
You don't need the Pepto-Bismol again. So we'll run it without this.
Let's run it now. Let's,
Yeah.
Since you want it loud,
Yeah,
let's just go loud and if anything, we'll just add one resonator. If it.
that is it.
Yeah.
Mad. Talk to me nice
That's a
now.
code.
Feel better now?
Yes, man.
Alright, that is it.
That no one here.
How that I go? Say that again?
Use them, yeah.
Yeah man, you might put them
Why
on
use
man.
back them here, man? I fill out the space perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in there, so.
Him know him man, man.
When I change the tip, them, I have to come think to them.
No man, just get a tip that can fit in that space perfectly. Cause you know one.
No, I'm order some tip for them here.
Oh, then you have the
Black
right
one
thing
them.
then.
Yeah.
The black one.
But
them,
here one now. You have the black spray. Spray them off for now, no?
You know, eat one.
We make everything black.
Eh?
When you say you want the tips and black?
Yeah, I want to keep them black, man. Yeah, but we put on the black tip right now. Right now. Yeah. It's a good question for real. Hey, Ella. How them something here? How them something here, Bill?
Oh, resonator, man.
Okay. Uno specs this.
I remember say sometimes when we bring them down,
Yeah.
we still have to cut them and pack them because them don't have enough fiber in it. So them don't make a car sound.
Oh, so on a bill and them
Yeah, them are
resonator on a
just,
bill.
yeah, don't think that anything you have to throw me.
No, me not touch nothing, man. No, sir. Me touch, just a look.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah, nice vibe, man.
Yeah, and then we
That is
first
it.
cut the barrel now, see them, they know them hunger for weather.
Okay,
That's when it complete now.
mad.
Fire, tap them,
Go on, do it.
Don't put the flat part over.
Yo, hold on. Go on, do your flash,
Go on,
man.
do it, man. Yo, man, stop and look for our world.
So I tell the people them while I go say, me I tell Escobar say, yo, don't look on it.
Look for what?
What you do to you when you flash?
Flash you, man. You feel like a handful of sand in your eye, man. Yeah, and it always make you go sleep first, then wake. In the night, when
Yeah.
you wake, you can't blood clots, nothing at all.
Terrible.
Come on.
So when you get rid of that?
You want to know, me, sometimes you can just go draw green tea, a tea bag, and just wash out your face with it. But me always just wet a rag and put over my eye till me drop a sleep.
How long you well now?
A long time
So you
now.
used to it now?
You can't use the flash. You used to what? You can't use to. You know easy.
Yo,
Flash are a terrible thing, eh?
Yeah, man.
so that's why when I watch Men in Black and the man them say, yo, listen to me. As of today, you are no longer a man. You're
Yeah,
a girl.
flash.
I'm flash you.
Oh! Yeah, so see down here now when I go hear the sound clip. Dog, happy
see
now.
that,
Eh?
dog. Nah, look pan it, come now, wanna gravel on me eye. Oh, put the camera up on it.
Put on the glasses on the
Put
table,
the camera
man.
before the lens.
But,
But you know,
Put the camera
Alright.
before the lens.
watch out, it's when it a flash,
yeah.
Watch your well.
it dark, like
this
it
before the
go
welding.
black.
Put that before the welding.
Yeah, mama see.
And look, see if it, look at the welding and see if it's
Oh, get dark, yeah.
See that?
Like,
Yeah, man.
like
Right.
it black out.
I
Yeah.
see the sensor them.
But how you see that if it black out though?
Sensor them.
Eh?
Set up the
That's
sensor.
why you have to the light, you have to see. So they may sensor will pick it up
Oh,
and just
okay.
get it down. So
Okay.
this now you can work with this because you could have see if you do everything and you can weld at the same time.
Teach me something
If
new
it's fully
today.
dark, you have to take it off. If you do it the way it kind of uncomfortable. This, you have on everything you do and you start well same.
So your best friend not then?
Good.
That is it, you know. Escobar live on the road, you know. Mad. Black out the tips as well. So we're gonna get a sound clip on it right now. Cause the dog can't talk to him again, you know. Mad. Go and go start up the machine, you know. Make we hear what I go on. Show them what time it is. Your van no sound like shit up no more. Fuck. Yo. That
Stand by me, yeah?
is it. That is it. Talk up. Father, talk to me now, man.
No, you may send a people wants to big up Niclo, Fresh Panda, anything you want.
Man, what the hell, bro? You're going like says I drop you do for me.
I need a car, the sound like his car, and take time out of the busy schedule of people. And if they can make it as good as
So yo, I'm good to go here now,
Yes,
Paul.
Put on your shades.
hit the road,
Sport mode.
Yo, big up. I'm here to drive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Bless, man.
Yo, big up the team, you know. Big up the team, you know. Blessings, man. That is it, see?
And you only well there, you know?
Ah, that is it, bro. Blessings. It's rolling. So, yo, skunkers. Boss, can't say I'm not burbles, you know.
Hey,
You see me?
Straight pipes.
Yeah, man, straight pipe right now.
Yeah, man, straight pipes.
I want to go in the seat of the front.
yo, it want, them know say the brother them,
I'm gonna make them
it
deal.
want program bro, cause the hydraulics not working at the place them where it forgot.
Yeah.
Up I go forward and forward I go side and
Right.
I know how I go on.
Remember you're wide, Nick, so take your time.
Yeah.
Watch
Wide.
the side mirrors.
Why?
Bop.
Very wide.
Brr.
We'll go in the mirrors them now.
Press the thing. You see it up at the front.
Yeah.
Press it.
Oh, listen. You hear the things so that.
See it.
You know, you really need to power me some more, you know that.
Sport Plus bro, I can't drive in a Sport Plus brother.
Why?
I'm done it
Gas
fast.
goes now?
No, not really. I'm fucking again a Sport Plus brother. Man, I'm not gonna drive in a Sport Plus.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Traffic on the
Yeah,
road. Start now.
Yeah, the man make police run me again now. A joke. Yeah, but that's so wanted for your back. Are we in a Sport Plus?
Yeah, Sport Plus.
Oh,
I put the car with Sport Plus
Up it up,
mode.
bro.
Understand, Bishop? Because when we in Japan, we drive car, we don't know restriction. Understand? Only in Jamaica, police want you drive car with restriction. But in Japan,
In Japan.
not in Japan, we drive car without restriction.
Yeah.
Yo!
Hey, bro. Big up.
Big up yourself.
Know the thing that Nick
Man.
Low, fresh panda. Want to improve? What's on somebody here?
I'm telling you, sound like running belly over there, man.
Yo, 200 and a Panadol, man.
Even this represent what it is now. Yeah. See it there, man. See it there. See it there. That is it, bro. Up.
That they can't talk.
They can't talk to him again, not true?
Can't talk to Bishop again, man.
Link up with
Thunder
the
road,
poison,
man.
them cannot rub it
That
out.
is it, then, bro. Blessings, you know. Big up.
Yeah, man. You want down the next look.
That's it,
The man wake up the whole bus stop. Yo, drive away there. No, go on. Oh, about rascal, about because we are good. Alright, we got fans. We got fans. Yo, the man, I love the angle, listen there. Skunk lifestyle, man.
Part of the life, man.
That is
Yo,
it.
Skunkers, so yo, Bishop, I close out that vlog here for today, but you know, I'm glad we could have get for do what we need for do.
Yeah.
And shut up what we need for shut up at least now. Me there foreign and can comfortable.
Yeah.
You don't say they are yard
Yeah.
and a whole of vibe. So yo, Skunkers, go and look out. Welcome. So basically next episode you're gonna see that we're actually in New York and we're gonna get some whole heap of content for you. So until then, big up on yourself.
That's cool.